What if I told you there's one upgrade that can completely transform your RV experience? After years of researching RV materials and talking to thousands of RV owners, we discovered something revolutionary, and it all comes down to your furniture choices. Let's get real about traditional RV furniture for a second. Wood-based furniture might look good initially, but it brings so many problems. It's heavy, which reduces your fuel efficiency. It absorbs moisture and leads to mold growth. It warps in temperature changes, and it creates annoying squeaks while driving, not to mention the formaldehyde emissions that affect your indoor air quality. That's why we've completely reimagined RV furniture using only two advanced aluminum technologies, welded aluminum panels, and aluminum honeycomb cores. Let me break down why this matters for your RV lifestyle. First, the weight savings are incredible. Our aluminum furniture is up to 60% lighter than traditional wood furniture. For a typical RV, that means saving hundreds of pounds instantly. This translates to better gas mileage, increased payload capacity, and reduced wear on your chassis and tires. You'll literally save thousands in fuel costs over your RV's lifetime. But here's what really excites me: the durability. Our welded aluminum panels create seamless, monolithic structures that can withstand years of vibration and road impacts. Unlike wood, aluminum doesn't expand or contract with temperature changes, whether you're camping in Arizona desert heat or Alaska's freezing temperatures. Your furniture maintains its perfect shape and integrity. The moisture resistance is a complete game changer. Traditional RV furniture acts like a sponge for humidity and spills, leading to mold growth that can damage both your furniture and your health. Our aluminum furniture is 100% waterproof. You could literally spill a bucket of water on it and just wipe it clean. No more worrying about humid climates, accidental spills, or condensation issues. Now let's talk about the aluminum honeycomb technology. This aerospace-inspired design creates an incredibly strong yet lightweight core that provides exceptional stability while dramatically reducing vibration noise. The honeycomb structure acts as a natural sound dampener, making your RV noticeably quieter while driving. It's like getting soundproofing built right into your furniture. Health and safety benefits are often overlooked but so important. Traditional pressed wood furniture emits formaldehyde and other VOCs that pollute your indoor air. Our aluminum furniture is completely non-toxic and emission-free. It's hypoallergenic, mold-resistant, and so easy to clean that you can maintain a hospital-level clean environment in your RV. The environmental aspect matters too. Aluminum is infinitely recyclable, unlike wood furniture that ends up in landfills. When you choose our furniture, you're reducing your environmental footprint while getting a superior product. Installation and maintenance couldn't be simpler. Our precision-engineered components fit perfectly into any RV model. The surfaces resist scratches and stains, and cleaning requires just a damp cloth. No more special cleaners or complicated maintenance routines. Whether you're a full-time RVer or weekend warrior, whether you have a luxury, motorhome, or a compact camper, aluminum furniture upgrade makes sense. It's not just about replacing furniture, it's about enhancing your entire RV experience, increasing your resale value, and giving you peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. The best part? This isn't some distant future technology. It's available right now, and we've made it affordable for every RV owner. We offer custom solutions for all major RV brands and models. So if you're tired of dealing with squeaky, deteriorating furniture that weighs you down and holds back your adventures, maybe it's time to make the switch. Join the thousands of smart RV owners who have already upgraded to aluminum furniture and will never go back to traditional wood again. Your RV deserves the best protection and performance. You deserve to travel lighter, safer, and more comfortably. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in how we think about RV living.